In my whole trading career, in my whole 4 years straight of trading, I've never had this much win streak before. We are currently on a crazy 20 win streak, is still a 100% win rate using my PO1 strategy. Every single trade has been called and taken live in front of all the Discord members. In this video, I'm breaking down this absolute crazy record with 100% transparency. By the way, this is just one of my many accounts that I trade. Right here, we can see that it is not a 100% win rate, but later on, I'm going to explain you why. Some of these trades I've taken with a normal risk, just like this $1,000 plus profits, this ones, and this one right here. And some of the trades I've taken right here is only with a smaller risk, just like this $500, $600, and this one. And also some of the profits right here that you can see with $200 and others, just like this one, are mistakes on my end and in copy trading. So later on, maybe I might show you the real profits I made for this day. And of course, if you want me to show the other accounts, you can just comment inside the comment section if you want me to show some of the statistics of my other accounts. By the way, if you don't believe me, this is that exact account. Right here, you will see all of the trades I've taken for the past 4 to 5 weeks. Right here, as we can see, same exact profit, 12,129.52, 12,129.52. Every single trade is right here, right in front of your eyes. Every single trade has been taken and called live. Now, once again, before you comment and complain down below why it's not 100% win rate, just like I told you, that's because some of it was due to copy trading problem and some are because of my own personal error. Sometimes I use the wrong lot size and sometimes I enter on the wrong pair. I'm still a human being and I make mistakes. Just like this trade on January 31, right here, I believe I placed the wrong contract size or position size right here and I closed it right away and I've taken it in my other accounts. And just go inside Discord, go inside live recording, or maybe I'm going to show you a short clip right here taking this exact trade right here that we ended this exact day with a profit. And right here, I believe I have entered on the wrong asset. That's why we ended up with $200 only. But in my other account, this was a perfect setup. Once again, we have called this exact trade live in front of all the Discord members. So in this video, I'm going to show you my best trade for this account and I'm breaking it down for you. If you're new here, I'm Trader Zed. I've been trading for 4 years straight now. I've tried countless of strategies just like everyone else, starting from support and resistance, order block trading, supply and demand, indicators, and a lot more. None of this made me profitable until I discovered and perfected this one pattern, one model that I see the market do every single day. And ever since, it has changed my trading and my whole life completely. It has made me multiple 6 figures in payout and 7 figures in funded accounts. But don't take my word for it. Here are some of the members' profits, payouts, past challenge accounts, and achievements using the exact strategy that I use every single day. And right here, you will see some of the members' profit from our everyday live session. Every single trade I've taken for the past 6 weeks now. Every member right here is taking every single trade exactly using our PO1 strategy. And as we can see, a lot of members are passing their account, past my funded account, thanks to you. And a lot of members right here are getting funded as well, as you can see. And also here are some of the achievements of the members. This one member had 85% win rate using our strategy. This one member got their almost 2k payout using our P1 strategy, and another one right here from Sarah, almost 2k payout as well and almost 1.7k profit. We have here a message from Ricky as well, past 2 combines with 2 weeks trading with Zed. Here's his certificate right here. So as you can see, our PO1 strategy really works and I've showed it, I've taken it, I've called it live every single day for the past weeks now. Look at this. Even if we don't have 100% win rate, don't tell me that this is not still an impressive achievement. 89% win rate, 12,000 US dollars. 93% of that days are profitable. And we have here a zealous score of 90%. Here's your graph right here. Going up, not a single dip. Just continued going up until we reach our 12k right here. Once again, guys, this is just one of my many accounts. So I copy trade mostly. Sometimes I take higher risk trades with other account, and sometimes I take lower risk with other accounts. So right here you will see all of the profits for the past 4 weeks to 5 weeks right here. And here are some of the normal risk that we have taken right here for this exact account. Week 2, we can see right here we have bagged 1.2k. Week 3, 3.1k. Week 4, 800 bucks. Week 5, 5.1k. So every single one of this trade right here we have called and taken live in front of all the Discord members. Let me show you some data once again right here. You will see all of this is 100% real, guys. You will see this right in front of your eyes. Now, since I've shown you the full statistics for this account, I'm going to show you my best 4 trades I've taken for this account. The first one is this right here, January 30, 1.9k, and next one is February 25, 1.8k, February 26, 1.4k, and February 28, 1.8k almost. So most of the trades for this day, I believe, is mostly New York Open reversal or reversal setups. First, let's go into the trade of January 30 right here. So right here is our very first trade. As we can see, the market is bullish. Why? Because we have fully respected this fair value gap right here. And the market is currently trying to go up, aiming for more buys liquidities above. Currently, we have this imbalance, so the market is aiming for those imbalances above. We have recently reacted into this 1 hour fair value gap, fully respecting that. Now, going inside the 1 hour time frame, you will see that we have completely taken out this swing low right here. Rejection. Let's mark out near kill zone 9:30 at 11 a.m. We're only taking a trade inside near kill zones. Let's wait for that 9:30 a.m. We are currently forming a possible New York Open reversal continuation. I want to see price go below the swing lows, completely rejecting that. Then we want to see a change in the state of delivery in the lower time frame, going up, aiming for more buys liquidities above. That is exactly what I wanted to see inside of this live session, even if you go into our live trading. I want to see price completely reject this equal lows. Let's wait for that complete rejection. That would be your manipulation, trapping traders into the wrong side of the market. There you have it. Sell side liquidity sweep. For now, we can remove this 1 hour fair value gap. Let's mark out this 5-minute BPR instead. So this right here is your manipulation, at the same time respecting this bullish PDRE. From here, we can go inside the 1-minute time frame. This is exactly when we enter our long position. As we can see, sell side liquidity sweep. And if you look at the price action of ES, we have here that SMT divergence giving us another confluence for more bullish price action. If you look closely, we have formed here a bearish fair value gap. Price closed above that, which means this is now your inverse fair value gap. Once we see a retracement into this inverse fair value gap, this should be completely respected. We also have this fair value gap, so this is now a BPR. We entered around here. I believe stop loss just below the swing lows and aiming for more buys liquidities above. Let's say 1 to 3 risk reward because we still have this upper imbalance above. And right here, we're inside of this trade. Once again, if the market wants to go up, this should be completely respected. That's it. Beautiful rejection. From here, price continue going up. And there we have it. Take profit hit. Almost 10 minutes. We are done for the day. And right here is our profit for this exact day. Now we can go to our trade on February 25. 1.8k profit right here. So in this trade, as we can clearly see, the market is overall bearish, so you want to look for nothing but sales only. If you go into the price action of NQ, you will see that the price has completely taken out this swing high right here. So this is Asian highs. That is a hard time for liquidity sweep. Since ES has failed to take out the same swing high, we currently have here what you call an SMT divergence. This is a confluence for more bearish price action. And if you look closely, we also completely respected this 1 hour fair value gap. Let's mark it out. So now we have multiple confluences that the market is bearish. We're gonna go inside 15-minute time frame looking for that manipulation. Let's wait for that 9:15 a.m. Same scenario, you want to wait for a manipulation just like this, taking out a buy side liquidity, fully respecting a higher time frame key level. Then you want to see rejection, change the state of delivery, going for more sell side liquidities below. That's exactly what we want to see. Let's wait for that manipulation right here. And there we have it, exactly just like we outlined. We have called this exact trade right here. We have called every single trade inside of our Discord. Now, since we have taken out this swing high right here, this is your manipulation. At the same time, reacting into this bearish VDRE, we could now go inside the lower time frame to look for a market structure shift or inverse fair value gap. So currently we have this very far market structure shift, so we are not going to use this. For now, we only have this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. Let's wait for that inverse fair value gap. In this case, price failed to go below this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. We have here another buy liquidity sweep, so that is good. We have now created here that market structure shift. Now let's wait for the price to go below the swing low. That would be your confirmation going down lower. And there you have it. Here's your displacement, market structure shift. We entered right here on this inverse fair value gap. Stop loss just above the swing high and aiming for more sales liquidities below. Let's say 2.5 risk to reward, just more sales liquidities around here. Let's see if we're going to hit our take profit right here. All right, now we're inside of the trade. Let's see if we're going to hit take profit. In this case, we had this very deep retracement. That's fine. As long as you trust your analysis, you trust our PO1 strategy, you will reach take profit every single day. Once again, we have called and taken this exact price action in front of the Discord members. And right here is our profit for this exact trade right here. Next one is gonna be our trade on February 26. Here's our profit. Let's go into the charts. Inside the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the market is kind of bullish, but we are currently moving inside of this range. That's why we waited for more candles. Let's mark out 9:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. Waiting for more candles. Now we're at 9:15 a.m. We haven't pushed any bottoms yet. We just waited for more candles. Going inside the 5-minute time frame, let's wait for more candles. So around this time, we have taken out this higher time frame key level right here. This is your Asian lows. So this is currently the price action of ES, and ES has failed to take out this swing low. But if you go to the price action of NQ, we have completely rejected this. That means we currently have here another confluence, an SMT divergence. So from here, I wanted to see price moving away from this level. There you have it. We have here a rejection, but I wanted to see more confluences. I wanted to see more confirmation, so we waited for more candle closures above the swing high. This would be your market structure shift. So currently looking good, but we haven't placed any trades yet. Since this is a reversal setup, we waited for more bullish PDREs. And right here, finally, we have formed this fair value gap. Let's mark it out. So what we did right here is we have waited for the price to retrace into this 5-minute fair value gap. Going inside the 1-minute time frame, let's wait for that retracement. We have called this exact price action live once again. As we can see, we have now topped into this 5-minute fair value gap. Southside liquidity sweep. There you have it. This right here is your manipulation and a higher time frame key level. So what you want to see from here is a market structure shift or an inverse fair value gap. As we can see, our market structure shift is very far as of the moment, but we have this fair value gap that could turn into an inverse fair value gap. So we waited for that candle closure above this so that we can shift higher. This should be your change state of delivery. And as we can see right here, we close above that. So this is exactly when we entered our buy position. Stop loss just above this swing low and aiming for more buy liquidities above. Let's say we can aim for 1 to 2 risk to reward for now. And let's see if the price will continue going up from here. And right here, price retrace into that inverse fair value gap. And I believe we retrace a bit down lower. Yep. Taking out the swing low as long as the price respects your bullish PREs. And as you can see, price went straight into our take profit. I believe it went up a bit higher into our 1 to 3 risk to reward right here. And there you have it, another 1 to 3 risk to reward. And here's our profit for this exact trade. Now last one, this would be our last trade breakdown for this account. 1.8k February 28 right here. Here's my PNL, and now let's go into the charts. So we're currently inside the 1 hour time frame, and as we can see, the market is overall bearish, but we are currently inside of this range, so we haven't pushed any bottoms yet. I just waited here for more candles. Let's mark out 9:30 and 11 a.m. first. Let's wait for that 9:15 a.m. And right here, I believe the price continued dropping down, taking out this outside liquidity right here. This is not just any other liquidity. This is your previous daily low, which is a higher time frame liquidity. And right here, as we can see, price completely rejected the swing low. So from here, since we have taken out a higher time frame key level, I wanted to see price move away from this level, going inside a 2-minute time frame. And as we can see, we have closed above this fair value gap. This is now an inverse fair value gap. Price is completely respecting that. Now we went inside the 1-minute time frame to look for a possible sell side liquidity sweep going higher. Once again, we want to see price go down first, taking out a sell side liquidity before going up. This would be your manipulation right here, going into the real direction. And that's exactly what the price did right here. We have taken out this swing low, at the same time respecting this fair value gap right here. So from here, we wanted to see price close above the swing high. This would be your market structure shift. And as we can see, we have that candle closure above that. I wanted to see price return into this order block right here. That down close candle, that is your order block. We enter right around this level, stop loss just below this candle bodies. Aiming for more buy securities above, let's say 1 to 2 risk reward for now. So we enter right off the retracement. Now we're inside of this trade. So for this exact trade, unfortunately, the market consolidated a lot, but that is 100% fine as long as the price respects your key levels, just like this fair value gap. This is why you need to be very confident with your strategy, just like we have been for the past 5 weeks now, since you are still 100% win rate. And as we can see, the price action went straight into our take profit right here. Take profit hit. So if you try to increase this, let's say 2.5 risk to reward, I believe the price still has reached that 2.5. And there we have it. Take profit hit. We have gotten 1.8k for this exact trade right here. Once again, guys, every single trade included for this account, we have called and taken it live in front of all the Discord members. So yes, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned a lot. If you want to learn our PO1 strategy full course, every single step from the very basic to the most advanced, you can go inside the link in bio. Right there, you will learn our daily profiles using our P1 strategy. We know exactly when the market is going to reverse or continue, exactly just like I've shown you for the past 5 to 6 weeks now, every single day. So yes, we are still 100% win rate right here. Data and numbers don't lie. P1 strategy is king. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.